Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is an EssentialsX Discord tutorial. Let's go ahead and start by opening our browser of choice. Navigate to the website EssentialsX.net, click on the Downloads button, and download the core EssentialsX jar and the EssentialsX Discord module. Keep in mind, you always have to have the core EssentialsX jar when downloading any of the add-ons. I'll go ahead and download both of those to my plugins folder right now. I'll go ahead and name both of these EssentialsX and EssentialsX Discord for simplicity, but you can name it whatever you want. Once those are done downloading, go ahead and start up your server. While your server's starting up, go ahead and type /stop, and that'll stop it as soon as it's done. Navigate to your plugins folder, and we can see that we have the Essentials and Essentials Discord folders generated. We don't really need to worry about the Essentials one in this tutorial, so we'll go ahead and open the Essentials Discord one. We'll start by opening up the config.yml file so we can quickly access it later. Go ahead and navigate to this website right here. I'll leave the link in the description for convenience. Click New Application and type in whatever name you would like for the application. In this case, I will name it EssentialsX Discord Tutorial. Click Create. And here you can give it an icon if you'd like. This icon is only used on this website, so it doesn't matter if you set one or not. I've gone ahead and set one anyways, but it doesn't really matter. If you change the icon name or the description, click Save Changes, and then navigate to Bot. Click Add Bot right here, and yes, do it. This will copy the icon that you set up here. If you didn't set one, just go ahead and set one now. This is the icon that will be used with your bot. Go ahead and uncheck this public bot setting and scroll down and turn on both privileged gateway intents. Remember to save your changes and navigate to OAuth 2. Okay, so now we'll add our bot to our server. So go ahead and click the bot checkbox right here and applications.commands. You can give the bot the permissions you'd like, but I'm lazy, so I'll just give it the administrator permission. If you give your bot administrator permissions, just be extremely cautious to never leak your bot token. If you leak your bot token, then people will be able to control your entire Discord server. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, go ahead and click copy right here and open a new tab and paste it. Select the server that you would like to add it to, click continue, authorize, and then complete the CAPTCHA. You should see that the bot has now joined the server, and here it is with the icon and name. It also created a role for us that has the administrative permissions. You can see that the bot is currently offline, but that's nothing to worry about. We'll go back to our browser of choice, close this tab, and then navigate to the bot tab. Here we'll have our bot token, and go ahead and click copy. Go back to your config that we opened a minute ago, and in the token area, paste your token. To get the ID of your Discord server, go ahead and go back to Discord, open your user settings, go to Advanced, enable developer mode, close that, right click your server icon, and click copy ID. Go back to your config and paste it right here, and now the bot should work in your server. Scroll on down and we can see these different channels. You can name these whatever you want, but I'll just leave them as default. For the primary channel, we'll go back to Discord, right click on Chatting for All or whatever channel you want, click copy ID and paste it here. The primary channel will send basic join, leave, death, and chat messages. The staff channel will send kick and mute messages. To grab the staff channel, we'll go back to Discord, right click the staff text channel and click copy ID. Go back to the config and paste it here. You can add other channels you like, so I will do that now. Okay, I've added the other channel, so let's go ahead and scroll down. This chat section you can leave as default unless you'd really like to change it, but I won't cover it in this tutorial. Scrolling down to console, if you'd like console to output its logs into your Discord server, you can go ahead and give it a channel here, which I will do right now. For the format, I'll just leave it the default, but you can change it however you'd like, and it supports Discord formatting. The webhook name is what the bot will be called when it sends the message in the console channel. I'll go ahead and call this console and leave command relay and bot relay to false. For log levels, if you'd like it to only send you fatal and error messages instead of all console messages, you can go ahead and change this to error and it will output all errors into Discord. I'm going to leave this as info for this tutorial. Scrolling down more, we can see these are the names of the channels we defined above, so I'll go ahead and change server start and server stop to start stop. All the other options I will leave as default. If you don't want a message to show, just change it to none. Scrolling down more, if you'd like the avatar of player messages to show in the server, change show avatar to true. If you want the name and display name to be shown as well, go ahead and change show name and show display name to true. Display name will include nicknames and prefixes and suffixes. These two options here are pretty self-explanatory, so I will not cover them here. Scrolling down further, here are the commands that you control with slash commands. Most of it is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show how to grab a role ID. To get a role ID, go to Discord, your server settings, roles, and then right-click on the role you want and click copy ID. Going back to the config, everything else should be pretty self-explanatory and well documented with the comments. If you ever need help with a setting, feel free to join the Moss Discord in the description below, but otherwise we'll go ahead and save our changes and start our server. Okay, the server has successfully started, and if we go to the Discord, we should see that the bot is now online. We can also see that it sent the timestamps properly, and everything in console is now here. In starts and stops, you can see it says the server has started. If you ever make changes to the bot, feel free to do so in the config and type s reload, and that will reload everything with Essentials. Going to the Discord, if you'd like to run a command, just type slash and then whatever you'd like to do. To get a list of online players, just do slash list, and you can see there are 0 out of 20 players online. Going back to the config, you can see here's the list command, and hide command is set to true. Doing so makes it so only I can see this message, and it will disappear after some time. If we want to make it not be hidden, just change hide command to false, reload EssentialsX, navigate to Discord, and do the command again. Here we can see, now it shows for everyone. Keep in mind when your server is offline, the bot will also go offline. If you'd like everyone on your Minecraft server to see the Discord server's chat, you can start by joining your Minecraft server and type lp group default permission set essentials.discord.receive.primary. Press enter, and there we go. You will now see all the messages from Discord. Now if we type in the Discord server, you can see that it sends to the Minecraft server. If I type in the Minecraft server, it sends back to the Discord server. Alright, that concludes my EssentialsX Discord tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or join the Discord in the description. I will also leave all relevant links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.